note, views and opinions expressed in the course of this program do not represent that of OTV. Therefore, this channel is not liable to any legal action that may result from this program.
Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí, ẹ ti káàbọ̀ sórí ètò ọmọ Oòduà tó ń dé sójú ìwòran yín o láti iléeṣẹ́ ìkànnì Wo TV. Òdu ni wá àwa kì í ṣàìmọ̀ fún lóko. A tún ti dé o sórí ètò bá a ti ṣe máa ń dé. Tó ètò ọ̀hún ló wá balẹ̀ báyìí bí ọ̀wàrà òjò sójúde yín o. Àwa òmìnira ẹ bá ń wá pèrè fìdí abẹ́ bá ń fìdí tí a pèrè mọ́lẹ̀. Kájọ kan lágbá mi ètò tòní nítorí pé ń dá mú afúra wa lórí ètò lónìí ó gbọgbọ́n. Kódà ó gbẹ̀ngbẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ń pè ní ó gbẹ̀ngbẹ́ nítorí pé kàyéfì ọ̀rọ̀ kàbìtì la máa ń pè ní kàyéfì ọ̀rọ̀. Tó ẹ bá ń wá pèrè fìdí abẹ́ bá ń fìdí tí a pèrè mọ́lẹ̀ ká kọ́ lágbá mi ètò tọ̀hún ká máa bá kinní ọ̀hún bọ̀ bá a ti ṣe máa ń ṣe tá a máa ń kìbọnú ara wọn lẹ́lẹ́yọ̀ ẹ̀yọ̀ bó bá ti wá yá yín bó bá ti yégun ni o ṣe mọ̀ pé o ti yọrẹ́ àwa tá a wà ń bí náà àbá tèrè wá bí torí pé bàbá débi iṣẹ́ ṣíṣe náà là á ṣe ó ti wá yá ẹja jọ karabodò torí pé àní karabodò tán ká tún ṣe máa wá parọ́ pò tútù mú wá o ó ti yá bó bá ti yá yín ẹja jọ lọ.
I'm not seeing your comments. Should I? I just finished a 10-minute video on Instagram Live. One of them is you. Please don't insult me by saying you need evidence or proof. You have to be stupid to be telling me that. My profession is called journalism, and it has ethics. There are 7 ethics in journalism. One of them is you must protect the source. So don't ever, it's so fucking annoying when I'm doing something and someone says, show us evidence. I just told you that Wumi had a sexual relationship with Prime Boy. All I saw through was people spamming evidence, evidence, evidence. Stop it! That started with David Hundain, who always wants to show proof of something. You don't. If you tell me that Wumi was having a sexual relationship with Prime Boy, no, forget about you. Prime Boy's sister or brother told me, if one of them told me that and said, my brother was having a sexual relationship with Wumi, what do you think they're going to tell me? Please don't mention my name. Don't say I told you. That's because the brother or sister doesn't want Prime Boy to know that he or she told me. When I now report it for you, are you expecting me to reply you and say, oh, the sister told me, the brother told me? Stop asking for evidence. In journalism, you don't ask for any fucking evidence. That's Nigerian journalism. We don't have to prove anything to anybody. You understand me, guys? Don't do it. It's very annoying, okay? The 2nd of December is when they're going to lift my shadow ban. And all I want to do is, from the 2nd of December to the 9th of February, reflect on the most interesting parts of my career and the interview I did. A documentary about my career. That's all I want to do. Okay? Because most of you have not supported me in my career. I wasted 10 years in Nigeria. 10 years I wasted. Tony Ashamu, don't assume I have evidence, okay? I do, but it's not for you. Okay? I'm protecting the source. If you told me, Tony Ashamu, would you like me to mention your name? It's just stupid by now. And he brains, and that's Nigeria. You never think outside the box. You tell a journalist something. You don't want them to mention your name. I'm supposed to be telling people you told me. Hey, mama, shaking it, Joe. I really hate stupid people. So don't ask me for any evidence of any rubbish show. I want to shut down my page after this back on Saturday the 2nd because it's a waste of my time. Some of you are not seeing my post. I put a whole video about the toxicology test, 9-minute video, and nobody saw it until I did another post to say, do you see it? That's shadow ban now. Please, can you tell me who is investigating this case? Is anybody investigating this Mohbad case? Aside from Oriyomi Hamzat, who you are going to be telling to speak English when you get to his page, right? So 2 things I don't want to hear. Show us evidence, or please don't go, don't retire. Anike, that 1,000 naira. Eli, that 1,000 naira each. You know, and you want me to stay to do what? I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not doing any more independent journalism. Okay, never again. Okay, and that happened because I went to Nigeria after I was deported from Canada. Other than that, you know, you work for a media house. Sure, you heard what Channels News said. That's why the video will suffer forever for what he said about me. The whole Channels News. We're waiting for Kemi Olunloyo. No, don't bring her here. The video says she's a mad woman. You see how things influence others? Okay. Be talking rubbish. Okay. Let me start because I'm doing this for the Malians, the Mole, whatever is fan base. I'm doing this for the Malians and the Molelites and blah, 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 Mohbad's fans. So let me start. I want to edit this video, but I can't. Facebook will always say, make a reel out of it. All right, Ekale, November 28th. Orúkọ tèmi, Dr. Kemi, Olunloyo, investigative journalist, pharmacist, PR specialist. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ fún gbogbo yín, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá jẹ́ fans Mohbad. Many of you tẹ́ wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ let's message mi lórí email tẹ́ ní nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ òye yín mọ́. Many of you tẹ́ gbọ́ English dáadáa ẹni kí n bá yín ṣe ní Yorùbá, so nǹkan tí máa ṣe ni Oriyomi ti wọnú case, so tẹ́ bá ti lọ sí page Hamzat starting on December 6th tán bá padà sí inquest ẹ máa get gbogbo updates níbẹ̀ yẹn. If you guys donated enough for me, I will be translating everything going on Oriyomi's page for you, but translation is time and money. I don't have time, I don't have money, so but don't donate for that, so please. I'm tired, I'm just tired, you know. I have a feeling that I will not be able to solve this case before I leave February 9th. You know, and these kind of things happen. That's what happened with the Oromoni case. If you want to see the Oromoni case, the way I went to finish it, the videos are on Instagram now. All the videos are there. IVD, Bimbo, all the videos are out. I archive my work, but nobody knows that one day I'll bring them all out so that you can see everything. Now, àtìgbà tí NTA ti pè mí 2 days after tí Mohbad kú tí NTA ní kí n ṣe peace fáwọn. Little do we know pé kíní yìí máa wà very, very serious báyìí. Kò tiẹ̀ ṣe story tí yẹn lè continue. Ó ní libelous parts, oríṣiríṣi libelous parts. Distractions oríṣiríṣi. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó máa sọ pé no distraction ló máa distract everybody, tó máa bú everybody. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Tonto gbogbo wọn náà mọ̀ pé Wùmí ló pa Mohbad. Ṣẹ́rẹ́ Malians àtẹ̀yìn street fans Ìmọ́lẹ̀-lights tẹ́ jẹ́ fans Mohbad nígbà tó wà ní Malian music àtìgbà tó lọ dá label tẹ̀ sílẹ̀ nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ ni show tí mo fẹ́ ṣe is just about toxicology, okay? Tí ẹ bá Google toxicology is the study of nǹkan tó wà nínú èèyàn tó jẹ́ poison, nǹkan tó toxic tó wà nínú èèyàn ní toxicology, ṣó ti yé yín? Now gbogbo wa la máa ń ṣe toxicology test one way or the other. O lè ṣe toxicology test tí èèyàn bá ti kú, o lè ṣe toxicology test tí èèyàn bá wà alive. Èmi tí mo jókòó yìí mo ṣe 18 months campaign tèmi tí mo ṣe pẹ̀lú NDLEA. Mo máa wá sórí NDLEA every Friday, mo máa ń bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ nípa oríṣiríṣi drugs, nǹkan tó ń mọ àwọn parents gbogbo ẹ̀. 18 months mo fi ṣe every single Friday. Ìgbà tí mo ṣe campaign mi tán, gbogbo ẹ̀ tí mo ṣe tán wọn kúkú fún mi iṣẹ́. Tinubu fún mi iṣẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀. It's okay, mo ti move on, mo ti kúrò Nigeria. Nǹkan ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ni pé nígbà tí mo wà ní NDLEA spaces, wọ́n dá nọ́mbà kan sílẹ̀. Mariwa change NDLEA altogether. Wọ́n dá nọ́mbà kan sílẹ̀ 0800 1020 3040. Wọ́n máa ń pè ní NDLEA helpline. helpline yẹn sì tó bá wà lórí drugs kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣé kò lóòsì ló wà lórí tramadol anything you are on wá pé helpline yẹn kan help ẹ because tó bá máa lọ sí rehab 3 to 5 million ní rehab ndla wà náà centers tí wọ́n tẹ́ pé ọ̀fẹ́ ni the only thing tó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ni pé ẹ sọ fáwọn ẹbí yín kan gbé provisions wà àti toiletries tẹ́ bá ti lọ ṣe coin toothpaste milk milo dano bonvita gbogbo ìyẹn ti tó àwọn àṣeyọkù nínú gbogbo tí àti mo bá pẹ̀lú ndla àwọn èèyàn máa ń bi mí fún help àwọn fẹ́ kúrò lórí tramadol àwọn fẹ́ kúrò lórí weed àwọn fẹ́ kúrò lórí kòló gbogbo ẹ̀ tí bá ti rí fáwọn sí rehabilitation center toxicology náà máa ń kọ́kọ́ ṣe toxicology náà máa ń kọ́kọ́ ṣe tó bá kọ́kọ́ dé rehab center ẹjọ́ nítorí ọ̀nà tó bá wà ní mọ́tò accident tó ń gbé wọn hospital kí ní fẹ́ẹ́ sì tó máa ṣe wọ́n máa mí ṣòkó stable blood pressure náà máa kọ́kọ́ go for wọ́n fẹ́ wọn bẹ́jẹ̀ ṣe ń flow lára ẹ̀ at that moment tó kúrò ní mọ́tò accident yẹn blood pressure náà máa kọ́kọ́ wò tó bá yẹ pé blood pressure ẹ lò àbò high ok wọ́n lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fún ẹ ní fluids yẹn jẹ́ iv náà ń pè ní drips ní Nàìjíríà iv náà ń pè ní Amẹ́ríkà tó bá ti ta fluids yẹn sí ẹ lápá ok intravenous yẹn ó mì pé oògùn yẹn àtàwọn fluids tó ń fún ẹ ó ń wọnú vein ẹ directly because vein àti arteries lè jẹ tó wà nínú èèyàn now tó pé drug addict ní ẹ tó dé rehab center tó check in day 1 wọ́n kọ́kọ́ máa gbẹ̀jẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ máa gbàtọ̀ ẹ̀ ìtọ̀ àtẹ̀jẹ̀ àti bóyá saliva but wọ́n máa gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n máa gbé lọ sí toxicology lab or wọ́n máa gbé lọ sí lab period tẹ́jẹ̀ ẹ bá ti dé lab wọ́n máa test ẹ̀ wọ́n máa rí gbogbo drug tó ti lò nǹkan tó wà ní system yẹn that very moment tó wá síbẹ̀. Mohbad ṣe toxicology test Sinoliski ṣe toxicology test gbogbo àwọn tá a rán lọ sí rehab nígbà tá a sọ fún wọn pé kọ́ má jẹ́ kán prosecute wọn tó bá mú ẹ fún drugs ní ndla ọ̀nà méjì náà máa ń ṣe the way tó ṣe mú àwọn malians wọ́n jókòó sínú yàrá gbogbo wọn line up sí ara ògiri àwọn yòókù náà line up sí ara ògiri kejì wọ́n á fèsì ara wọn wọ́n lo drugs oríṣiríṣi ní ẹ̀ẹ́dì yàrá yẹn a stash of molly weed assorted drugs eye drugs tó wà ní kọ́nà yàrá yẹn ìyẹn wá jẹ́ enough láti arrest wọn for trafficking díìlì àwọn ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ deliver ẹ̀ Wùmí wà níbẹ̀ ó mú drug Mohbad mú drug Zino mú drug Ṣèyí mú drug gbogbo pátá náà wọ́n wà ní drug trance so bí ndla lè ṣe fọ́lẹ̀kùn tó wọlé kó àwọn drugs tó wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n tún kó drugs nù ká wọ́n seize Lexus kan tí ò ní license plate wọ́n lè arrest gbogbo ìjà tó jà ń ta tí Wùmí fẹ́ ná ndla officer tí Ṣèyí ń pè Wùmí ní ọba ti shoot ẹ̀ dànù bí ó tẹ̀ ní exist at the end of the day court nìkan ló kù náà kọ́ convict gbogbo wọn bó ṣe convict the general the previous month the general comedian ní ó lè gba visa lọ́bì kankan mọ́ wọ́n ti convict of drug trafficking ó ń rẹ́rìn ó ń ṣe life kò mọ̀ pé ìyẹn worse ju no I didn't get jail time ó ń rẹ́rìn you didn't get jail time but you were convicted try and go and apply British embassy ní kókó kọ́ lọ have you been arrested for a crime yes please explain drug trafficking ó ti ẹ̀jẹ̀ rí visa gbà irú ẹ̀ náà máa fún visa ẹ rọra o ọtí mi rí nìyẹn o mo lè sọ pé tí àwọn ọmọ ẹ bá lọ sí court wọn máa convict wọn àwọn méjì nu wọn olórí ńlá ni wọn Mohbad àti Sinoliski ẹ má convict wọn ẹ kàn lọ fún rehab kàn lọ rehab kàn detox kàn lè ṣe PSA that is what I arranged for them mo lè pe Fẹ́mi Fabafẹ́mi mo ní kó bá mi jíṣẹ́ fún Mariwa ṣe back surgery abroad chairman ndla dẹ́ gbà wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ rehab Mohbad wá ń sọ story rehab ní October 5th 2022 wọ́n sọ story nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní February bottle water kan tán fóun mọ́ everything orí gbogbo yín ò pé ẹ wá ń kígbe òṣìkiri ndla poison àwọn tó ń tọ́ àwọn ìyàbọ̀ àwọn tó ń parọ́ òṣì fún yín àwa ta ti ṣe pharmacy 35 years 1988 mo kúrò ní pharmacy school 35 years tá a mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ at 30 years I was the director of pharmacy for the outpatient drug rehabilitation center at Johns Hopkins Bayview, the most prominent hospital in the world. I was a very successful pharmacist from 30 to 39. At the end of the day, bó ṣe ń describe nìyẹn mo sọ pé the addiction center nìyẹn lórí Twitter mi yẹn rí gbogbo letters thanks tó kàn fún mi 1996 gbogbo àwọn tí mo ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú lórí drugs mo á replicate the same thing in Nigeria for 18 months bó ṣe náà fún bottle water kó wọn fáwọn yòókù mu because drugs tó wà nínú Mohbad ó yàtọ̀ sí drugs tó wà nínú àwọn yòókù èyí wọ́n ń gbé poison òṣì kan sílẹ̀ he was getting rehabilitated àwọn kìnìún yẹn dey hash burúkú báyìí a combination white like this put it in a bottle or a cup they drink everything wọ́n máa yàgbẹ́ wọ́n máa tọ̀ wọ́n máa yàgbẹ́ wọ́n máa vomit detox is hard wọ́n máa fún wọn ní flexeril muscle relaxer wọ́n á tún wá fún wọn ibuprofen 800 milligrams because of the pain mọ nǹkan tó ń pè detox you better go and meet somebody that's getting off drugs but kán tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí detox wọn láti ṣe toxicology wọn láti find out nǹkan tó wà ní system wọn ṣé NDLEA drug center nìkan ló wá ń ṣe toxicology àwọn private ones wọ́n ń ṣe àwọn hospital wọ́n ń ṣe àwọn èèyàn lọ ń jẹun níbì kan wọ́n poison wọn rush lọ sí hospital toxicology náà ń ṣe kí ló yàtọ̀ tẹ́ wá gbé toxicology Mohbad lọ sí America ẹ̀yin fans ìrọ́nà ń pa àwọn Fálànà náà orchestrate wọ́n ṣe máa bo gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n gbé nǹkan kan lọ sí America number one how dare you pathologist tó ṣe autopsy kójú yín kó shame on you kójú tì yín pathologist tó ṣe autopsy ẹ ṣe autopsy tán toxicology test ẹ wá gbé láti ọ́fíìsì lọ sí Muritala Muhammed airport nínú kíni nǹkan tó máa ti switch lọ́nà tó ti máa tamper tó ti máa damage you can carry blood or body fluid ẹ̀jẹ̀ àti body fluids ìtọ̀ òkú ẹgbẹ́ lọ àbúrò kò ṣe é gbọ́ sétí mo bá pè oríṣiríṣi doctors mo pe doctor mi ní Ìbàdàn bàbá àgbàlagbà mi ti ẹ̀fẹ̀ dárúkọ àwọn doctors mi bàbá àgbàlagbà ní doctor mi ní Ìbàdàn doctor mi láwọn gbọ́ lórí newspaper so it's just laughable you see ìdènà wà wọ́n ní private tí mo ti máa ń lọ you see ìdènà wà fún regular job wọ́n ní it's just laughable toxicology test going abroad to the US wọ́n ti fẹ́ taint case nìyẹn but the doctor mi Ìbàdàn sọ nìyẹn doctor mi rẹ́kù doctor mi ní Ghana nígbà tí mo wà ní Ghana tí mo lọ ṣe assignment ṣe rántí pé mo ní malaria kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn doctor mi rẹ́kù ní don't you guys have labs in Nigeria money we do and then something is wrong very wrong ṣé bí nǹkan tí George sọ náà nìyẹn doctor mi lamẹ́ríkà Martin Malik Dr. Timberlake èwo lè ṣe toxicologist test dé US so kí ni ká ṣe báyìí toxicology test here from Nigeria I think all the news stations need to carry that it's laughable dẹ́rìn pààyàn is laughable gbogbo news stations ẹwọ ẹ̀yìn èèyàn 100 stars pé ilẹ̀ nìkan kún mi fún mi stars lálẹ́ ẹ̀yìn jẹ́ ká parí show mo ń lọ dàbọ̀ ni my waste time now. Oh yeah, for me stars now. You can support me. Ẹnìkan tí ń bèrè pé òun gbọ́ Yorùbá. When you don't read, did I not say it's not a Yoruba show? It's not an English show. Did I not post the TikTok in English? Why only Yoruba? You guys are very poor with your thinking. I really hate daft people. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ̀yin fans is toxicology ni nǹkan tó bá toxic nínú èèyàn. Wọ́n á gbẹ̀jẹ̀ àti tọ̀ wọ́n máa find out nǹkan tó jẹ́. Wọ́n á gbé lọ sínú lab wọ́n á mọ drug tó lò nǹkan tó mu nǹkan tó jẹ́. Wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe toxicology nìyẹn. Everybody lè ṣe toxicology test. Tí Mohbad yẹn wọ́n gbé lọ sí America wọ́n ti tẹ̀ǹtẹ̀ nìyẹn wọ́n ti parọ́. Èmi believe sincerely mo believe pé wọ́n gbé nǹkan kan lọ sí America. Ọ̀nà táwọn Fálànà fi máa níwèé wọn nìyẹn. You know what I'm saying? Ọ̀nà tó ṣe máa níwèé wọn nìyẹn. Aṣẹ́wó ni mo mí gbogbo èèyàn ló bá sùn tán. Níbẹ̀rẹ̀ case kí ni mo sọ fún yín mo ló ti bá everybody sùn ní Malia house gbogbo àwọn girls tó wà ní Malia house ló ń bára wọn sùn everybody ti bá Naira Marley sùn, everybody ti bá Zino sùn, everybody ti bá Mohbad sùn. There was a time tó sọ pé ńgbà tán find out ẹni tó pé NDLEA ní dárúkọ ẹnìyẹn fún àárín ara wọn ẹnìkan ló snitch pé àwọn kan wá láti dó àwọn nǹkan nínú ilé, àwọn kan láti dó àwọn kan nínú ilé as punishment. Oríṣiríṣi náà dánwò ní Malia house. Anyway, picture kan jáde dé ní Naira Marley tó tẹ Luke LD àti Sam Larry àti Zino. First time tó máa jáde síta, àwọn èèyàn wà mẹ́ta ń ya fọ́tò pẹ̀lú wọn, tó ń ya fọ́tò wọn but wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ya fọ́tò. Wọ́n ti di ibi tèmi náà. Báyọ̀ ya fọ́tò mọ́, ló mọ́ fọ́tò. Anyway, nǹkan ṣàṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ ti fún mi stars sí 649 láti 99 ẹ ṣe o. So nǹkan kan ṣàṣẹlẹ̀ ṣe àǹkan tẹ̀ láti mọ̀ ni pé ẹ̀yin fans àwọn Mohbad nǹkan wọ́n fẹ́ dá kéèsì ẹ̀rù ni. Níbẹ̀rẹ̀ case Falana sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ bí judge kó sign order ẹ̀ pé journalists must not attend the inquest. The same Falana tó fẹ́ Kemi attend the inquest ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ni ó ti change mind the scene. Now journalists know they were saying inquest. Ó bàjẹ́ fún ẹ Falana. The next day ló bá designate ìyàwó ẹ̀, èmi ṣe rò pé ọmọ ẹ̀ ní daughter or somebody. Ó ṣáà níyàwó òun ṣá ló máa handle case. Irọ́ ni olóhùn praise in background. Ọjọ́ tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ inquest àwọn èèyàn wà níbẹ̀ tó ń gbé phones sókè tó ń film. Imagine nínú inquest court àwọn journalists wà dúró síta ibi táwọn yẹn ti jọ dẹ̀ nìyẹn. Nigerian journalists ọ̀dẹ̀ ni most of them. Wọn ò ní fight fara wọn kó máa jà láàrin àwọn náà mọ̀. Nígbà tí Donald Trump ban CNN ní White House tí CNN wà ní press corps, Associated Press ló tẹ̀lé wọn. Gbogbo èèyàn kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tẹ̀lé CNN. In other words, no journalists in the White House. Ìyẹn náà ń pè ní camaraderie. Okay, kí lẹ́yìn pé camaraderie. Camaraderie in America, we support each other as journalists. A human rights lawyer, fake human rights lawyer, tells you that you can't enter there. You know, I drew stuck with the camera as reporters and drew down to my daddy and my microphones instead of fighting. Are we stupid?
Please.
This is Nigerian journalism for you, puppet journalism. You are supposed to boycott the entire Mohbad stuff. You boycott it and you don't report it. When journalists don't report, nothing is done. Nigerian trained journalists are so stupid. All those media houses, every newspaper, every TV station are support. But of course, you know what I told you now. They're owned by the same politicians frustrating you. Will you see TVC not show up there? If they all boycott it, there will be no coverage for Mohbad's inquest. They'll be begging you to come back. But instead, you're standing outside waiting for hearsay. Talking to the lawyers and everybody inside. Anyway, the minute our crowd one our public one in Kini mo send intern mi lọ síbẹ̀. So intern mi wà ńbẹ̀ tó ná video ńbẹ̀ tó ń video picture Wùmí tí mo mú yẹn Black Widow tó wọ black. Onírọ̀ burúkú. Níṣẹ́ kó wá ṣe regular wọ black ó ṣe veil sórí ọ̀dẹ̀. Aṣẹ́wó wèrè. Gbogbo ẹ̀ tí lójútùú ó ń bá Prime Boy sùn. Ó dẹ̀ ṣẹ̀yún fẹ́nìkan. Mo ti ṣẹ̀yún lórí Instagram. Ó ṣẹ̀yún fẹ́nìkan. Wùmí ta ló ṣẹ̀yún fún? Obi mole pre o tún ti lóyún by August o ṣẹ́ oyún. Ṣé Mohbad ló ṣẹ́yún fún? Àbí Prime Boy? Àbí anybody else? Àṣírí ẹ̀ ti tú. Kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe. Àṣírí ẹ̀ ti tú. Wọ́n ló pa Mohbad. Wùmí wọ́n ló pa ọkọ ẹ̀. Lọ́sọ̀rọ̀ police, turn yourself in. Ó gbà kó máa ní female section kirikiri for the rest of your life. You can't get away with murder. Plans on ni pé kí nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn kí wọ́n convict Fèyí Ògèdèngbé pé òun ló pa Mohbad. Second plan, kàn convict Prime Boy pé òun ló bàjà tó fi punch Guinea. That's what the police told us. So wọ́n ti contradict ara wọn in one area. Plan wọn nìyẹn. But Miss Ògèdèngbé, Sisi Fèyí Ògèdèngbé yẹn, ìyẹn ní plans tiẹ̀. She's not going down alone. A police source told me that she's planning to testify against Wunmi big time. If she starts testifying against Wunmi, lo plan it was the beginning of the end for Mohbad. I'm hearing that Faye is going to come and testify that she was hired to give him an injection and kill him. I'm serious there. Somebody said I love Dr. Kemi's accent. Go to Instagram. Somebody said I'm talking with fake accent. Fake British accent. I don't even know how to talk with British accent. Anyone that likes my accent, I don't have an accent. You just like my voice. I'm a trained broadcaster, and I lived in Eastern United States and Eastern Canada. The accents of the Eastern United States and Canada is a little different from all the others. Okay? It's not an accent. I'm a trained broadcaster. It's my voice. You like my voice. I don't hear anybody saying that I have a good Yoruba accent. I can speak Yoruba better than anybody, and I can speak English better than anybody. Okay? And French. And Igbo. Okay? The Igbo and the Yoruba I can't write. And I can't read. So it's not even about, what is it called? 6 stars is almost 1,000. Keep giving those stars. I've already posted on top of my page if you want to donate. Nigeria and 1,000. Oh yeah, the people in America, thank you for all the Zells. So, there are many of you in America 30 Zell me. Zell me now. But when I told Zell me $250, like Gates, some people said 50, some said 30, some said 25, but I appreciate it. I only have 3 months left. It's not even 3 months left. December 9th, it will be 2 months exactly. I just want to finish this documentary and stuff and just get out of here. Because I don't know any of you. I've never met many people, and I just want to cut down, you know what I mean, and leave whatever, never be. Remember, don't forget to, when I leave, don't remember anything about me. I don't want to be known by anybody. I don't want, just like Brother Boy said, Egbagbe me, I never remember anything. So, so basically, toxicology test, toxicology. We go to law from drug rehab, non toxicology test every day. Once you call over, she's sorry. But to emergency room, casualty hospital, turn emergency. But no matter she test for the lab, because don't toxicology. But she Mohbad no go to America, so she go run on pa. Run on pa. Sam Clef ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad lẹ̀, Kesolo ti fọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad lẹ̀ ti pẹ́. Many people ti fọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad lẹ̀ kò make wọn lówó. Tonto gan ti fọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad lẹ̀. Ìyábọ̀ gan ti move on. Kò make wọn lówó mọ́. Nígbà tó ń sọ pé àwọn ti sọ fún bàbá kó má sọ̀rọ̀. Bàbá sọ̀rọ̀. Imagine Tonto saying the man is talking too much. We can't help him if he's talking too much. You can't help him. Ṣóbèrè help him. Ó lọ ra pósí, ẹ lọ fi promote ara yín bẹ̀. Hello promoter yín, hello ra pósí. Welcome to Ebony funeral home. Ebony gone láti, they're not supposed to even be doing anything. Ebony gone disgrace. Now, kí ni mo tún fẹ́ sọ pa ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad? So, senior advocate of nonsense, Fúnmi Fálànà. Nǹkan tó ṣe bá ń journalist ni pé kò fẹ́ ká mọ full story. Fálànà àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ wọ́n ní very heavy connections l'Abuja. Okay, olórí burúkú làwọn méjèèjì. Àwọn kan bú mi ní Twitter pé mi ò ní manners, èmi ń bú Rivad Roof. Fẹ́mi Fálànà 60 something years old, máa pé 60, ẹgbẹ́ ni wá. Mo ju ìyàwó ẹ̀ gan lọ. Who are they? Ta ni wọ́n? Ṣé torí mo ṣe journalist ní ilé mi? I'm a doctor of pharmacy, Timawa in clinical setting. I'm a global international journalist. Mo ti wà lórí Larry King. I'm the only Nigerian that was possibly on that show. Kí Larry King tó kú. I've done a lot. Ẹ wá ń gbẹnu sókè ẹ̀ ń gbé yànga. Fálànà tó máa bá yín rẹ́rìn one day, tó máa lọ bá federal government the next day. Abu Buhari one day. Gbogbo press á gbé. Ibi tí puppet media yín ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Tó bá ti bú Buhari tán ló máa fóònù Buhari lẹ́yìn tọ́jọ́ máa rẹ́rìn. puppets media. Nǹkan tó yẹ kán report ṣé gbogbo yín ti notice pé wọn report nǹkan tèmi sọ ṣé notice pé Instablog àtàwọn newspaper àtàwọn Pulse Nigeria wọn report nǹkan tèmi sọ wọn díà wọn bí wọn àwọn ò láìkò tó onírọ́ ni wọn. You've noticed that, right? You know, Ayọ̀túndé real gun. I'm not talking about Iyabo and Lizard. If you are calling Lizzy Lizard, I will ban you on this thing. Okay? I'm not interested in that, please. And stop calling people names. You can't comment anymore. So, I'm going to be something about toxicology here. Regarding our Falano, ojú ayé wọn ti pọ̀ jù wọ́n powerful wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ àwọn èèyàn wọ́n fẹ́ bu kéèsì mọ́lẹ̀ Ìyábọ̀ sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ sweep under the carpet wọ́n bu police kọ́ ló máa bu làwọn lọ́ọ̀yà yìí lè máa bu Fálànà àǹkó ó ti sú police nígbà tí police gbé kéèsì fún GPP pé ó yá ẹ lọ prosecute àwọn tẹ̀ mú èèyàn mẹ́ta náà mú DJ Ajíṣegírí kò tiẹ̀ yẹ kó wà behind bars òun ló lọ ra gbogbo oògùn so nǹkan tán ṣe mú nìyẹn. Because Sisi yẹn ló máa testify pé Wùmí ló háyà wọn láti pa Mohbad pẹ̀lú injection ìgbà tí ó wà kú tán dáadáa àwọn agun lọ́bẹ̀ ọ̀nà ṣe mú Ajíṣegírí DJ Spending DJ Ìmọ́lẹ̀ Music because tó bá jẹ́ conspiracy then òun náà bá wọn lọ rògùn just like girl tán rape yẹn tán fi ìròyìn náà rape yẹn Cynthia Okosogu ní 2012 ṣe mú arrest pharmacist gan. Gbogbo ọ̀nà ṣẹ̀wọ̀n right now. Meanwhile, kí ni mo ti sọ náà fídíò mi? Tẹ́ bá notice àwọn fans Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wọ́n ti kúrò lórí page mi wọn kì í pọ̀ ń bíbáyìí. Wọn ò wà bíbáyìí àmọ́ ó ti sún wọn because wọ́n mọ̀ pé gbogbo ẹ̀ ó lè má follow Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kó máa look for the truth now. Irọ́ náà pa ń gbogbo bẹ̀yẹ. It's all what's it called? It's all lies. What's this person? Ayọ̀túndé real gun, please. Ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ kan ni mo fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ olóṣèkún iná ọmọdé gbogbo ẹjọ́. I just want to say most of them are just touts. Me like it touts my follow me. You know what I mean? Ayọ̀túndé real gun. Ṣé mi ló ń pè ní ìyàwó èrè? Oníkóṣì lọ ìyàwó èrè. Are you talking about me? Who is ìyàwó èrè? Is it me? Nobody's continuing my legacy when I retire. Nobody can follow my legacy. There's only one Kemi Olunloyo. Nobody knows how it's done. I opened this school online for 2 years. To media school, and I'm shutting it down in February after 2 years. You know, so I'm no longer teaching anything that has to do with news, journalism, no longer in it. And I don't want anyone to remember me for anything. In 100 years, 2123 is the year. None of us will be here anyway. None of you will be here. Your picture will be on the wall in somebody's house. And that was a lady called Kemi Olunloyo. She was a journalist and pharmacist and PR specialist. They said she was my great grandmother. That's all it would be. She was a Senator Adeleke àti Raji. Senator Raji Adeleke àti Davido. Davido ti ẹ̀ báyẹ̀ láyé. And he died very late. He died like 90 something. Wọ́n ti ẹ̀ tí bí David. Ṣé bí 1992 náà bí Davido. Raji Adeleke died like anyway. I was 16. My quiz 60. I was 16 when he was a senator. First Republic. Davido's grandfather. Iyabo Ojo has lost lots of fans. Who's counting? I beg. And ọjọ́ tí social media page about go down. Major pages have been taken down. Ọjọ́ yẹn ló máa sunkún títí. You know. Mi kò tí ready fún ni. Ṣé bá decide pé mo fẹ́ ṣe campaign láti take down page Iyabo. Mo ti fẹ́ ṣe nígbà tó post mi now. Tó post mi tó ń pè mí lórúkọ òṣìkan. Ó mọ̀ nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe náà. The next day ló máa quickly archive ẹ̀ dànù. That kind of stuff. So, Malians and Imole Lights, mo ti explain for you nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ basically.
wọ́n máa gbé yín dúró toxicology test is 4 to 6 weeks àti wà ní week number 10 àti fẹ́ wọ week 11 wọ́n ti gbé lọ Amẹ́ríkà irọ́ ni kò sí nǹkan kan wọ́n fẹ́ dàpọ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa wá wé ìtàn ṣe máa sọ pé ṣe sí toxicology test yẹn bá jáde wọ́n á ní ó ti dé láti Amẹ́ríkà wọ́n á gbé sórí letterhead ibì kan tí ó exist l'Amẹ́ríkà láàbù kan tí ó exist àwọn á fi result toxicology test yẹn hàn yín wọ́n á sọ pé Fèyíṣayọ̀ ló pa Mohbad pẹ̀lú gbogbo oògùn bí wọ́n bá oògùn eléyìí wọ́n bá oògùn yẹn gbogbo yẹn nǹkan tó máa ṣe ni wọ́n á ní Fèyíṣayọ̀ ló pa Fèyíṣayọ̀ dẹ̀kọ̀ ló pa alone alright conspiracy ni èèyàn mẹ́rin lẹ́ẹ̀kan arrest wọn lè tí arrest kẹrin and that will be kini you know what I mean. Ayotunde real gun instead your own page will go down. Which page? Who are you talking to, Ayotunde? Are you referring to me? I need to block you. Blocked.
tó ẹ kú àtàárọ̀ o ẹ dẹ̀kú bí ètò ọ̀hún bó ṣe lọ ó dẹ̀ dá mi lójú pé ẹ ti rí ọ̀kan àbí méjì ń tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́ àbí tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ rí ẹ ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ nínú ètò tòní. tó ó kù tọjọ́ mi àmọ́ kí n tó lẹ́jẹ̀ máa rán yín létí pé ètò tẹ́ ń wò ẹ máa bá mi like ẹ máa share o kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa bá mi wá more subscription nítorí pé Wo TV ń gòkè àgbà ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín ni àti ìrànlọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run Ọba títí wá dìgbà míì táwùjọ máa fojú níjú lórí ìkànnì pẹ̀lú àkọ́tún ètò míì tó tún gbọ́ngbọ́ àdìgbòlódò dọ́ra wọ ni mò ń jẹ́ o ẹ ti mọ̀ mí lánàá kó tó dé ní ẹ má jẹ́ n forí kíkun àmọ́ títí dìgbà míì ńkọ́ ẹ kú àtàárọ̀ ẹ kú iṣẹ́ ìní ṣé kò rẹra jù kédùmarè ojú wa rè o.
Disclaimer: the information provided by the speaker or presenter on the World TV platform during this broadcast is for general informational purposes only. All information in this broadcast is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, expressed or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of the information. The broadcaster of the channel may not and cannot be held accountable for the views, opinions, and comments made by callers during this broadcast. World TV is a contemporary Nigerian news and entertainment TV program born from the need to fuse the popular indigenous Yoruba culture into the growing entertainment industry of Nigeria and the rest of the world.